Welcome to Disney's Polynesian Village Resort, one of the original Walt Disney World resorts and a longtime fan favorite. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know: dining, transportation, room types, room tours, pricing, and what makes this resort so popular year after year. The Polynesian sits right on Seven Seas Lagoon, just 2 monorail stops away from Magic Kingdom. You can also take a boat to the park or walk to the Transportation and Ticket Center and catch the monorail to EPCOT. The resort is spread out across longhouses, with the Great Ceremonial House in the center, home to the lobby, shops, and dining. Speaking of dining, there are plenty of great options here for food and drinks. Ohana offers a character breakfast, yes, Stitch is there, and a family-style dinner that is one of the most popular on the property. Kona Café has some great breakfast options, as well as some sushi, a solid lunch, and dinner choices. Tambu Lounge is a place for tropical drinks and relaxing before dinner. Trader Sam's is a small themed tiki bar that's super popular. Get there early to grab a spot. Captain Cook's is your quick service location, open all day with fan favorites like pulled pork nachos. And if you don't want to wait in the long lines at Magic Kingdom, you can head on over to the Polynesian at Pineapple Lanai. It serves Dole Whip just outside the lobby. Barefoot Pool Bar and Oasis Bar and Grill keep things easy while you're lounging by the pools. And over at the new DVC Tower, you have Waikiloa Bar and Grill offers bowls, bites, cocktails with a great lagoon view. Planning a Disney trip can get overwhelming, but I've made it very easy for you. My Disney Vacation Guide covers park strategies, lightning lanes, dining, resort tips, and more, so much more. All clickable and up to date. You'll find the link below. Grab it before your next trip. There are 3 pools located at the Polynesian. The lava pool has a volcano slide, splash area for the kids, and poolside activities every day. The Oasis pool is quieter with shaded seating and a nearby bar and grill. And over at the new DVC Tower, you have the Cove Pool and the Little Moana play area that is super Instagrammable. Inside the Great Ceremonial House, Boutique offers Disney merchandise, Moana-themed items, and island-inspired clothing. Rooms at the Polynesian were recently updated with the Moana-themed decor. You'll find standard rooms, club-level options, Disney Vacation Club studios that sleep up to 5. We're going to see a few room tours here at the end. The overwater bungalows are a premium splurge with incredible views of the lagoon and fireworks. The new DVC Tower is now open with modern villas and updated layouts. If this resort looks like a right fit for your trip, I'd love to help you book it. As a travel advisor, I can guide you through room selection, dining, and park planning. Info is linked below. Now, as far as transportation to the parks, let's talk about how close the Polynesian is to all the parks. Magic Kingdom is just 2 stops away on the monorail, or you can take the boat right from the resort to the front of Magic Kingdom. EPCOT is just a short walk to the Ticket and Transportation Center. Take the monorail and just a short ride away. Transportation here is super reliable and very convenient for you. And how much does it cost to stay at this gorgeous resort? Now, this is a Disney Deluxe resort, so it does come with that hefty price tag, but you get that extra perk of being able to enjoy extended evening hours at one of the parks each week. And just like all the other resorts, you get early entry every single day. For a standard room, typically they cost around $640 to $780 per night during the slower seasons, which can go up to $950 to $1,200 plus during peak times like spring break or Christmas time. Now, the overwater bungalows can exceed at least $3,000 per night. Standard rooms are Moana-themed with typically 2 queen beds and a day bed, plenty of spaces for a family of 5. Be sure to ask for the lagoon view if you want to see the fireworks at night. This deluxe studio is located in the new DVC Tower at Poly. Thank you so much for watching this tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, subscribe to my channel for more Disney tours and cruise tours. Like this video and be sure to grab my Disney guide to help you plan your next vacation.